Meaning of debut.
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 Debut. The word debut is used to refer to the first public appearance or performance of someone or something, especially in the entertainment industry. It can also be used to describe the introduction of a new product or service to the market. A successful debut can help to establish a positive reputation and generate interest from potential customers or audiences. However, a poor debut can have the opposite effect and make it harder for the person or product to succeed. Overall, debuts are important moments that can have a significant impact on future success.